Over the past week, cryptocurrencies like XRP have stolen the spotlight of digital asset investment products from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, Yassin Mobarak, the founder of Dizercapital, outlined compelling reasons why Wall Street institutions might consider filing for an XRP Spot ETF in the United States. However, will it lead to a shoot-up of XRP's price? Stick with me till the end to find out more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 31st of December. Developed by XRPL Labs, Xumm is one of the most widely used wallets for accessing the XRP Ledger. On Monday, XRPL Labs announced major changes to the Xumm wallet, including a full rebrand from Xumm to Xumm. However, the latest upgrade is more than a brand name and identity change. Instead, it represents a significant move by the XRPL Labs team to integrate the Zoho network chain built on top of the XRP Ledger. Zoho features smart contract functionality, unlocking the potential for developers to build decentralized applications. XRPL users may access the newly released Xumm wallet from their respective app stores. Notably, the Xumm team is pushing the update through a phased rollout method, randomly selecting customers to receive the update over the course of a week. One major change XRPL Labs introduced in the latest upgrade is allowing users to seamlessly switch between XRPL and Zoho network. The team's official update revealed that users can now transact on both networks using the same address. The latest approach delivers consistency and gives users more flexibility while switching between networks. This eliminates the need to use different addresses on the respective networks, which might confuse users. Xumm users can also access advanced Zoho functionality such as hooks, which powers smart contracts on the network. Meanwhile, the new wallet also includes a lengthier option for account naming. Users may now use up to 64 characters to define their account name, allowing for better organization. Overall, XRPL Labs believes the latest enhancements deliver a better user experience. It further prepares the wallet to integrate more Zoho-specific functionalities as the new network pushes for adoption. While many worry that Zoho's early success and increased focus by XRPL Labs will detract from the main XRPL, others argue otherwise. XRPL Labs founder Yassin Mobarak said that XRPL will overall benefit if Zoho reaches its full potential. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Specifically, XRP recorded significant inflows while the market bigwigs witnessed unusual profit-taking sell-offs. This development was captured in a new report by European crypto-focused asset manager CoinShares. The report elaborated on the trend of funds flowing in and out of digital asset investment products over the past week. Per the report, crypto investment products witnessed a departure from the recent streak of inflows. It registered a minor outflows amounting to $16 million. This shift comes after a remarkable 11-week period of consistent inflows. Despite the outflows, the overall trading activity maintained robust figures, surpassing the year-to-date average. Specifically, the weekly total reached $3.6 billion, showcasing a marked difference from the yearly average of $1.6 billion. Furthermore, the report highlighted that the United States experienced a notable flow of $18 million regarding regional outflow. Also, Germany saw minor outflows totaling $10 million in digital asset investment products. However, Canada and Switzerland provided a counterbalance with continued inflows amounting to $6.9 million and $9.1 million, respectively. Analysts have suggested that the mixed regional flows indicate profit-taking rather than a fundamental shift in sentiment toward the asset class. Concerning flows by asset class, Bitcoin took a hit, suffering the most significant outflows at $33 million. In parallel, short Bitcoin products also experienced minor outflows totaling $0.3 million. Likewise, Ethereum and Avalanche faced some headwinds, experiencing outflows of $4.4 million and $1 million, respectively. Contrary to the overall trend, altcoins saw a surge in investor interest. It attracted $21 million in inflows, with XRP, Cardano, Solana, and Chainlink emerging as the primary beneficiaries. The digital assets secured inflows of $2.7 million, $3 million, $10.6 million, and $2 million, respectively. On a month-to-date scale, XRP's inflow of digital asset investment stands at $3.6 million and $17 million on a year-to-date scale. Furthermore, the scam method involves creating fake X links that redirect users to posts from scam accounts while appearing to be from legitimate accounts. Notably, scammers craft links that appear authentic at first glance, resembling genuine posts from reputable profiles. However, upon clicking this link, X redirects users to a post from the XRPL services account. Scammers are leveraging this loophole to create links that look like they are from genuine crypto-focused platforms by the mere sight of the link. XRPL Services emphasizes that this redirection is facilitated by X itself, as the platform dynamically alters the account name in the URL to match the post ID. Scammers are now using this to impersonate well-known crypto exchanges or projects. The perpetrators post fraudulent airdrop announcements using the post ID of their scam post. Subsequently, they attach this ID to the profile of reputable entities like Chainlink, Binance, and others, creating an illusion of legitimacy. These scammers may then ask users to send XRP or other cryptocurrencies to a certain address or to enter their private keys or passwords in order to claim the non-existent rewards. The team behind XRPL Services underscored the gravity of the situation, expressing disbelief at the lack of safeguards on X's end. The tweet suggests that instead of silently redirecting users to scam accounts, X should display an error message, signaling that it could not find the post. The team urged users to exercise caution when clicking on links and to always verify the URL in their browser after accessing a particular post. This simple yet crucial step can prevent falling victim to these scams, protecting investors from potential financial losses. The XRP community has witnessed its fair share of scam schemes, and ironically enough, the perpetrators always leveraged a loophole with some established platforms. Last month, the community fished out a deepfake scam video featuring Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Weeks later, the video was still up on the video sharing platform, raising questions about the efforts taken to remove it. When Elon Musk purchased X, then Twitter, elation filled the crypto community, as one of his primary missions was to rid the platform of bots promoting scams. Over a year later, the problem still persists. Now to our big question for the day: why will the Wall Street institutions consider filing for an XRP Spot ETF in the United States, and what impact will it have on XRP's price? Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. In a recent tweet, Mobarak suggested Wall Street institutions should boldly explore the untapped potential of an exchange-traded fund directly investing in XRP. He expressed that such a move should be a critical consideration for them, with the first-mover advantage for Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs that have already been claimed. Mobarak provided a strategic perspective on the XRP market, emphasizing why Wall Street funds should consider an XRP spot ETF. Mobarak noted a significant pent-up demand among institutions to secure regulated positions in XRP. He highlighted the market's rapid response to a fake online post about BlackRock filing for an XRP spot ETF. He believes the sharp price impact on XRP strongly indicates a demand for XRP ETF. As reported, XRP remarkably soared from 66 cents to over 73 cents in less than 30 minutes amid the bogus XRP ETF filing. Secondly, Mobarak highlighted that, unlike BTC and Ethereum, no institution has filed for an XRP spot ETF application yet. He noted the situation presents an open field for potential market leaders. Additionally, he remarked that being the first to file could offer strategic advantages for the Wall Street fund. Furthermore, Mobarak suggested that filing for an XRP spot ETF could be a bold move challenging the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission after the XRP court ruling. It would be very interesting to watch how the SEC would respond, the Dizercapital founder remarked. Specifically, he urged institutional funds with substantial capitalization to consider challenging the SEC by submitting the application for an XRP ETF, daring the regulator to deny it. According to him, the legal development following such a denial would be intense given the court ruling that XRP is not a security. Moreover, Mobarak argued that the risk-to-reward ratio for an XRP Spot ETF is compelling. In particular, he contended that the prospect of the SEC avoiding additional legal battles might favor an XRP ETF approval. Ultimately, Mobarak envisions a scenario where an approved XRP Spot ETF triggers both an avalanche and a snowball effect in the market. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. Make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.